Alright, good afternoon everybody, Colin here with Techout. Once again, my neighbor is doing some yard work, or having some yard work done rather. So sorry if you can hear that in the background, but this is the new S Pen that I ordered for my eBay Note 9 that came with a fake S Pen that does not fully work. It's in a pretty big box for some reason. I thought it would just be in like one of those little padded envelopes, but it is not. But whatever. So we're just going to unbox this real quick, and then we'll put it in the phone and try and set it up and see if it works. Let's see, we have the packing slip, some material, and then we have the S Pen here. So this is the S Pen for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, the ocean blue, so it's the yellow S Pen. Move the box out of the way real quick. They totally could have put it in like something like that and saved like $5 on shipping, but whatever. So let's see what we get. I've never bought a replacement S Pen before. I've always never had an issue with the ones I've had. So yeah, until you buy a Note on eBay and get fake stuff. So you get your usual, looks like there's two nibs in there. You have your one for like a glass screen and then one for a plastic screen if you're using a plastic screen protector. That is what the difference in the colors of those are, by the way, in case you didn't know that. And then in here we have the S Pen and a setup guide. It looks like we're not going to use that. So here is the real one. It does feel a little bit better. The end definitely feels a lot better than the fake one. So let's compare the two real quick. Take this one out of the phone. No, I don't want to do a screen memo. So the screen memo and stuff still works on the phone. It's just the Bluetooth remote that doesn't work. So this is the fake one right here. As you can see, this one has a silver edge around the tip. It still says Samsung, but the text is larger. It's pretty much the same font, it's just larger. And the end on this one is a slightly different tint of gold or yellow, whatever you want to call it. And the button right here is actually like metal instead of the, it's the same color as the end instead of the same color as the actual pin. So that is the difference on there. You can see it a little bit better. Everything else though is pretty much the same. So that one doesn't squish in a bunch. This does work, by the way, so you don't have to pair it to use this function. This one right here feels like absolute junk, and the nib like goes, halfway into the pin. So we're gonna get rid of that. Let's see, we are going to pull down here. We're gonna turn the S Pen remote on, and we're gonna go to connect a new S Pen, and then we're going to insert it into the phone. That feels a lot better going into, and it sticks out just a little bit farther than that one did. So let's hope this works. So it may take a while. I don't know exactly how long it will take. I don't know if that just paired. So it is still connecting. I'm going to give that a second and we'll come back when it completes. Alright, there we go. Everything is connected and working. So let's see, we will... Yep, so it is responding. You can see the thing bouncing over there when I push the button. So there we go. The S Pen is now connected and ready to use.